Today we are going to learn Maths of Standard 4th and the topic name is Subtractions. Students, this subtraction topic is a little lengthier, so I divided this in 3 parts and 2 parts we have done already. In that we studied about the 4-digit and 5-digit subtractions with borrowing and without borrowing, right? Now today we are going to learn about the oral sums of subtractions. Okay, and here you can see 2 students of your class. They are going to help us to solve the sums. Let us move to our sums. Students, first we will take a quick recap of the subtraction without borrowing and subtraction with borrowing. This is the first one. Okay, this is the 5-digit sum subtraction without borrowing. Yes, students, you know that we start the subtraction from the unit place. Now 3 is in unit place, correct? Now we will start from right hand side. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. 8 minus 6 is equal to 2, isn't it? And 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. Yes, students, we begin the subtractions and addition sums always from right side and slowly we move to the left side, isn't it? One more sum we will try. This is your sum. Okay, we will begin. 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. 8 minus 2 is equal to how much? 6, correct? And 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Now we will read the answers of both the sums. The answer for the first sum is 32,201. And the answer for second one is 26,014. Students, here we go for 5-digit with borrowing sum. Okay, arrange vertically and subtract. Table is drawn. We will write the given numbers in vertical position in the table. You know that vertical position means in standing mode. Okay, now we will write 44,673 up and below that we will write 39,146. Okay, we have to observe the places, isn't it? Okay, we will start. Here 3 we will write in the unit place, 7 we will write in tens place, 6 in hundreds place, 4 in thousands place, and one more 4 is there that we will write in 10,000s place. Yes, students, I left 2 rows up vacant because we will borrow the numbers that we will write there. Okay. Now the second number is 39,146. So 6 we will write in unit place and 4 in the tens place, 1 in hundreds place, 9 in thousands place and 3 in 10,000s place. Okay, we will put minus sign here. Now we will begin our sum. Okay, you know that we will always we start to solve the sum from unit place. So here in the unit place 3 minus 6 is there. So it is not possible. So what we do? We borrow from the left hand column, that is tens place. In the tens place there are 7 tens. So we untie 7 tens so that in the tens place only 6 will remain and 110 is borrowed to units place. Okay, 110 is equal to 10 units, correct? So 10 units plus these 3 units together became 13 units. And in the tens place 6 tens remained, correct? Now we will minus 13 minus 6 is equal to 7. 6 minus 4 is equal to 2, correct? Now these two columns over. Now we will move to hundreds place. Here 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. And in the thousands place 4 minus 9. Again it is not possible. We have to borrow from the left side column, that is 10,000s column. We can see here 4 in the 10,000s column. So we will untie this 4 10,000. Here what happens? 4 10,000s, that it becomes 3 and 1 10,000 will be borrowed to the thousands place. Means 1 10,000 is equal to 10,000. Correct? 10,000 plus 4,000 is equal to 14,000. Isn't it? And here in the 10,000s place 3 remained. Because we untied 1 10,000. We borrowed 1 10,000 to thousands place. Okay. Now 14 minus 9 is equal to 5. And in the 10,000s place 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. Okay. Our sum is over. Now we will read the answer. In 10,000s column 0 is there. So leave that. And the real answer is 5,527. Got this? Like this we have to do the sum by borrowing. Okay. Now we will move to orals. Today's portion. Okay. We will do orals by addition also and subtraction sums also. Orals means without taking notebook and pen, means mental sums. We have to do these sums mentally. Okay. That is called orals. Come, let us learn oral sums. Okay. You know that oral sums means we have to calculate them in our mind. We should not use pen, pencil, notebook or calculators or mobiles, correct? We have to do the calculation in our mind. Okay, that is called orals. When we go to the market or when we purchase anything in the shop, then we calculate the total amount, correct? That is orally we do, right? Yeah, okay, we will practice that one. 42 plus 36. Okay, now it is here you can see two digits 42 and 36. Now the easiest way is that we have to remember the biggest number. Here it is 42. Okay, we will write 42 as it is. Then what we will do? 36 we will bifurcate in tens and units. It will become very easy to calculate. See, 36 means 30 plus 6, correct? Now here also we will divide 30 into 10, 10 and 10. See here. Now first 10, 42 plus 10. This is second 10. You know that 30 has 3 tens, correct? And what remained? 6 units remain, isn't it? So plus 6 we will write. Now see this. Now 42 plus 10 we will do. What is the answer? 52. Very easy, isn't it? Now 52 plus 10 it became 62. 62 plus 10 that is 72. You know this 72 plus 6. What is the answer? That is nothing but 78. Got this? So the answer for 42 plus 36 is equal to 78. Got this, students? Okay, we will practice one more. See the numbers 65 plus 38. Again, which is the greater number? 65. We will keep as it is 65. Again, we will bifurcate 38 into tens and units. Here also 30 means 3 tens and 8 units. Correct? Here also we will add 3 times 10 plus 10 plus 10 and plus 10. This became 30, 3 tens, correct? Now 8 remained. So plus 8 we will write. Okay, come on students, we will add the numbers. 65 plus 10 is equal to 75. 75 plus 10 is equal to 85. 85 plus 10 is equal to 95. Now 95 plus 8 is equal to 103. Isn't it? Got the method? You have to practice this. On your finger also you can count like this. Okay? Now, one more method I will show you. See here, add 25 and 57. Okay. Now, one of our student, he came, what is his name? Ravi. Okay. Ravi will do this sum by his method. Okay. How you will do? We will see. 57, he has taken the greater number first. Then what he did? Plus 10. Plus 10 means 25, he bifurcated into 2 tens and plus 5 means 2 tens and 5 units, correct? 10 plus 10 plus 5 became 25, right? The 25 bifurcated in 10 plus 10 plus 5. So he got the answer. 57 plus 10 is 67 plus 10 is 77 plus 5 is 82. Yes, he got the answer 82 by his method. Now one more student is there. What is his name? Raghu. Raghu will use his method. Which method he is going to use? We'll see. Here what he did? 2 tens plus 5 tens. He added tens and he will add, I think, units. We will see 2 tens plus 5 tens is equal to 7 tens. Okay, this is also right. Now in the unit place, what all is there? 5 units plus 7 units is equal to 110 and 2 units. Means 12, na? 5 plus 7 is 12. Again he bifurcated into tens and units. So that is 110 and 2 units. Right. Now what he will do next? Okay, he is going to add the answers. So 7 tens plus 110 and 2 units. So what is the answer? 7 tens plus 110 is equal to 8 tens. And 2 units is nothing but 82. Yes. Correct? This is also one of the method of calculation orally. Whichever you like, you can use. The answer will remain same. Remember, but you have to do the calculation properly. Okay? These two students, that is Ravi and Raghu, helped us a lot in doing this sum. Thank you, students. Now, come let us learn oral sums of subtractions. Okay? 65 minus 34. In subtraction, you know that always we subtract the smaller number from the larger number. Correct? Now, here 65 is a larger number or greater number. So, here 65 we will write. Again, same method we are going to follow, but here we will do minus. Correct? 34 we will bifurcate into 3 tens and 4 units. What we will write here? Minus 10. Correct? Because this is subtraction. Minus 10 and minus 10. 3 times we have written minus 10 because 30 is there. And one time we will write minus 4. Correct? That is 34. Now we will begin our calculation. 65 minus 10 is equal to 55. Correct? 55 minus 10 is equal to 45. Go on making minus 110. Correct? 45 minus 10 is equal to 35. And 35 minus 4, that is units, is equal to 31. Isn't it? Same method we followed, but we carried out subtraction here. One more we will do. See this 85 minus 65. Here the greater number is 85. We will write like this. Then we have to subtract 65, means 6 tens and 5 units. Correct? So we will write how many times 10? Correct. 6 times minus 10 we will write. Okay. Minus 10. Minus 10. Minus 10. Minus 10. 4 times over. Minus 10. Fifth time minus 10. Sixth time we have written minus 10. Okay, one time we will write minus 5. Isn't it? Now calculate the answer. 85 minus 10 is 75. Minus 10 is 65. Minus 10 is 55. Minus 10 is 45. Minus 10 is 35. Minus 10 is 25 and minus 5 is 20. Isn't it? What is our answer? 20 is our answer. Am I right? Okay, you calculate and see. Add and subtract the following pairs of numbers orally using your own method. Whichever method you like, you can do. Okay, the answer will remain same. See, this is first one, 90 and 50. Two numbers are given. First we have to add these numbers and then we have to subtract these numbers. Yes, dear students, please do this. And verify the answer with my answer. On your fingers also you can count 9 plus 5 because 0, 0 is there in the units place. Right? 9 plus 5, that is 140. Correct? One more 0 we will give 140. And 9 minus 5. What remained? 4 remained. one more 0, so that is 40. You can use any of your method. Okay. Yes, 35 and 65. This is a pair of numbers. Now we have to add and we have to subtract. First 35 plus 65. Second one is 65 minus 35. Remember this because we cannot subtract 65 from 35. So always we have to write the greater number first and then the smaller number in subtraction. Remember this. So here 35 plus 65. How you will do? Not to use pen, mobile or calculator. You have to use your brain. Okay, we will remember 65 in our mind and 35, 3 times 10, correct? And plus 5 you have to do. 65 means 3 fingers you can take. 65, 75, 85, 95. Okay, then 5 remain. Then 95 plus 5 is how much? 100. Got this? And here in the second 65, again 3 you can keep on your finger. 3 fingers you can take. 65 minus you have to do 55, 45, 35. Okay, and again 5 you have to minus, means 30. Isn't it? Am I fast? You pause the video and you do, and then you again start the video and then verify my answer with your answer. Okay. Yes, third sum 47 and 23 is the pair of numbers given. First we will do addition and then subtraction. Come on, tell me. 47 plus 23 is 70, isn't it? 47, 2 fingers I will take. 47, 57, 67. 67 plus 3, 70, isn't it? And in the minus 47, I will minus 2. 47, 37, 27. And again I will minus 3 from 7, that is 24 remained. You can play with this with your friends. Choose any two numbers and keep the time to solve. It will become very fun. Okay? (16) and 74. See, in addition, no problem. 16 plus 74 we will do. But in the subtraction, we have to take 74 first, then 16 as the second number. Okay. Now again, in the addition, we have to remember 74 in our mind because it is a greater number. If you do like this, it will become very easy to calculate. Okay. 74 and plus 16 means only 110. So that is 74 plus 110 means 84. Correct? 84 plus 6 is nothing but 90. Correct? And in the second sum, 74 minus 10, that is 64. 64 minus 10, that is 58. Isn't it? Okay, good. We have solved so many sums on addition and subtraction orally, correct? This is last sum, 70 and 38. 70 plus 38, 70 minus 38. This is more easy because 0 is there in the unit place. So 70 remains as it is and 38 means 3 tenths. Correct? 70, 80, 90, 100 plus 8, 108. Isn't it? Yes, 70 minus 38. Again 3 fingers. You can take 70 here, 60, 50, 40. Okay, 40 minus 8, that is 32. Okay. Yes, here Amar is there and one more student, Samir. These two students, they went to shop to buy a notebook worth rupees 45 and one compass box of Spider-Man worth rupees 85. Okay, they purchased two things of rupees 45 and rupees 85. Now they have to give the total amount to the shopkeeper. Both of them calculated orally. Now what is the answer for Amar? Yes, Amar got the answer rupees 135. And what answer did Samir get? Samir got 130 as the answer. Yes, students, can you tell me who is right and who is wrong? Yes? Did you get the answer? Yes, we'll see which is the right one. This is wrong one. 135, whatever the Amar got the answer, that is wrong. What about Sami? Yes, Sami's answer is perfect. Now, what is your answer? Okay, we'll see how Samir did this calculation. Now, see, this is 85, a greater number he calculated. He remembered in the mind first. Then 45, he bifurcated 4 tens, isn't it? So 85 plus 10, plus 10, plus 10 and plus 10 and plus 5, correct? See, 85 plus 10, 95 plus 10, 105 plus 10, 115 plus 10, 125 and plus 5 is 130, isn't it? So the answers means whichever rupees 135 and rupees 130, the Samir's answer, that is rupees 130, is the perfect answer, isn't it? Now students, for you homework is there on page number 28. Please try to solve this. Okay.